Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we use green color. The next one is blue color. Now we use black color. The next one is red color. Yellow ochre color. The last one is yellow color. First we draw the letter of A. And now we use green color. Kids, now we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. We again use green color and now we draw B. B for ball. The next one is C. C for cow. The next one is D. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we use blue color. Kids, the next one is E. E for elephant. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. We again use blue color. The next one is 4. Kids, now we draw the number of 5. The next one is 2D shapes. First we use black color and now we draw the shape of square. Kids, the next one is circle and now we use red color. Red color. The next one is triangle. Now we use yellow ochre color. The shape of triangle. Now we use yellow color. The shape of heart. Now we use blue color. The shape of star. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes.
Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. C. C for cat. C for car. Kids neither D. D for dog. D for doll. Kids neither E. E for egg. E for elephant. And use yellow color. Yellow color. F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids neither G. G for gourd. G for grapes. And again use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids neither H. H for hen. H for helicopter. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids neither J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. Kids again use blue color and draw K. K for kite. K for king. Kids neither L. L for lion. L for lemon. And use green color. Green color. M. M for moon. M for mango. Kids again use green color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids neither O. O for orange. O for octopus. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Kids neither Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. Kids neither R. R for rose. R for rice. Kids neither S. S for sun. S for snake. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. Kids neither U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. Kids neither V. V for van. V for vanilla. And use red color. Red color. W. W for watch. Kids neither X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra.
Red color. The next one is blue color. Yellow color. Black color. Green color. The last one is yellow ochre color, and now we draw alphabets. First we use red color. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets. A for apple. Now we draw B. The next one is C. We again use red color. C for cow. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog. The next one is E. E for elephant. Kids, now we use blue color and draw the letter of F. Now we use blue color. F for fish. The next one is G. Now we draw the letter of G. G for God. We again use blue color and now we draw H. The next one is I. Now we draw the letter of I. Yellow color. Kids, now we draw J. And the next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw L. And the next one is M. M for moon. We again use yellow color and now we draw N. N for nose. Now we use black color. And draw the letter of O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose. We again use black color and now we draw S. The next one is T. Kids, now we draw U. U for umbrella. Now we use green color. The next one is V. V for vanilla. The next one is W. W for wolf. Kids, now we draw X. And the next one is Y. Now we draw Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we use yellow ochre color. And now we draw the number of 1. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O. The next one is 3. And now we draw the number of 4. The next one is 5. We again use yellow ochre color. Kids, now we use again red color. The number of 6. The next one is 7. And now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. Now we draw 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers.
A is for apple, A is for ant. B is for ball, B is for bat. C is for cat, C is for car. D is for dog, D is for doll. E is for egg, E is for elephant. F is for fish, F is for fan. G is for God, G is for grapes. H is for hand, H is for helicopter. I is for ice, I is for ice cream. J is for joker, J is for jackfruit. K is for kite, K is for kangaroo. L is for lion, L is for lemon. M is for moon, M is for mango. N is for nose, N is for nest. O is for orange, O is for octopus. P is for parrot, P is for penguin. Q is for quail, Q is for queen. R is for rose, R is for rice. S is for sun, S is for sun. Sheep. T is for teacher, T is for tiger. U is for umbrella, U is for uncle. V is for van, V is for violin. W is for wolf, W is for watch. X is for X-ray, X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yak, Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zoo, Z is for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.